ॐ मायाकल्पितमातृतामुखमृषा द्वैतप्रपञ्चाश्रयः सत्यज्ञानसुखात्मकश्रुतिशिखोत्थाखण्डधीगोचरः मिथ्याबन्धविधूननेन परमानन्दैकतानात्मकम् मोक्षं प्राप्त इव स्वयं विजयते विष्णुर्विकल्पोज्झितः शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। पेज नंबर 452. Siddhanti says Garuda Dhyanam is not Pratyudaharanam. Garuda Dhyanena Visha Nivritti. But Visha is not Mithya. Brahma Jnanena Jagat Nivritti. Therefore Jagat is Mithya. This is Pratyudaharanam according to Purvapakshi. Siddhanti says it is not. Why? ध्यानस्य रागादेरिव ज्ञानत्व अनभ्युपगमात्. थर्ड लाइन. ध्यानस्य रागादेह इव. ध्यान is not ज्ञान. ध्यान is like raga. Why? ज्ञानस्य इच्छा अनधीनत्वेन तद अधीन ज्ञान अपेक्षया वैलक्षण्यात्. इच्छा अधीन ज्ञान is what?
ध्यान.
हाँ,
ध्यान is इच्छा अधीन.
हाँ, ध्यान. ज्ञानस्य इच्छा अनधीनत्वेन. ज्ञानम is इच्छा अनधीन. On the other hand, dhyanam is ichhadhina. When you say I want to do dhyana means you have to make a sankalpa that I am going to do this chintanam only. I will do atma chintanam or anything else. Jnanam is not based on ichha. It will happen. Spashtancha etad akare. In Akar Grantha, this is Spashtam. I shared Advaita Siddhi Tika with all of you. Did all of you have chance to download and open it?
Yes, Swamiji.
So,
Open to page 315, 315. Fifth line in Hindi Tika. Nanu Jnanam Nama Manasi Kriya. Purva Paksha, this is Brahma Sutra, Chaturtha Sutra. Purva Pakshi says Jnanam is also Kriya. It is Manasi Kriya. Siddhanti says Na, Vailakshanyat. Kriya is Kriya hi nama sa yatra vastu swarupa nirapeksha eva chodyate. Purusha chitta vyaparadhina cha. Kriya is where Vastu Swarupa is not important. Ichha is important. Purusha is important. So Purusha Chitta Vyapara Adhina Kriya. This we have seen in Brahma Sutra. So I am not going to elaborate, but here Advait Siddhikar is quoting that. Akare means in Brahma Sutra. Brahma Sutra is called Akara Grantha. And also Brahadaranyaka. means bhashya of both. They are considered as Brahma Sutra Bhashya and Brihadaranyaka Bhashya. They are Akara Grantha. In particular, Brahma Sutra, because the Sutra literature is unique only to our tradition. Sutra, then Sutra Bhashya, then Bhashya Tika, then Tika, then Tika. Like that, traditions have come. So, what is given in Brahma Sutra Bhashya actually becomes Siddhanta. And so is Brihadaranyaka also. Brihadaranyaka Bhashya. They are called Akara Grantha. Sometimes Yoga Vasishtha is also taken as Akara Grantha. Fundamental for Siddhanta. ज्ञानत्वे अपि तस्य सेतु दर्शन पक्षान् नातिरेकः शास्त्र विहितत्वा अविशेषात्. Even if you take it as jnanam, tasya setu darshana pakshat na atireka. Setu darshanam is also jnana. Darshanam means jnana. So, even if you take it as jnanam, the Garuda Dhyanam and Setu Darshana Jnanam, they are similar. If you take Garuda Dhyanam as Jnana, actually it is not, but if you take it in this way. But in Dhyanam, you have to always be careful. One Dhyanam is in the form of Upasana Dhyana, and another Dhyanam is in the form of Nididhyasanam. So here, Purva Pakshi, when he says Garuda Dhyanam, it is in the form of Upasana. It is not Atmatva. So, na atireka, Shastra Vihitatva Visheshat. Shastra Vihitatva is there in Setu Darshanam and also in Garuda Dhyana. Shastra Vihitatva Visheshat. Kevalam Setvadi Darshana Vat Vihita Kriyatvam Avashishyate. In Setvadi Darshana though, it is not only Jnana. When they say Setu Darshanam will remove Papa, it is not only you go and see from the helicopter that, oh, there is a Ram Setu down there, and then while eating some chips and sandwiches and everything, and you see, have darshan. Oh, Papa Nivritti. Papa Nivritti will not happen that way. You see how it is given here. Setvadi Darshan has some Vihita Kriya associated with it. Setvadi Darshanavat Vihita Kriyatvam Avashishyate. Tacha na sambhavati jnanas. Jnanam does not have any associated Kriya with it. Why? Kartum akartum anyatha kartum ashakyatvena vidheyatva yogat. Jnanam is kartum akartum anyatha kartum ashakyam. Kartum akartum ashakyam, here it is given. In the other commentary it is anyatha kartum is also there. And in jnanam there is no vidhi. Vidheyatva yogat. This in Brihadaranyaka we have seen. The jnanam, there is no apurva vidhi. If at all we want to accept, he had said niyama vidhi. And then in Naishkarmya Siddhi, Acharya said, you can use Parisankhya vidhi for not to have anatma darshanam in this. विस्तरेण च ज्ञाने विधि ही आकरेषु निराकृता. In Brahma Sutra Bhashya, Jnanam does not have vidhi. That is said. Akareshu nirakrita. Nirakarishyate ihapi. Iha, in this Dvaita Siddhi also, Nirakaranam will be done. That Jnanam doesn't have vidhi because it is Vastutantra. Then Purvapaksha says, Setu Darshane Katham. How in Setu Darshana there is vidhi, etc. So Setu Darshana Jnanam is there. But that Jnanam has some Kriya. Vishishta Karena Vidheyatva Upapatti. So there is a Vidhanam to that. Nahi Setu Darshana Matrasya Durita Nashakatvam. Setu Darshana Matra will not remove Papa. See this portion. I mean, those who have this faith that Setu Darshanam will remove Papa, so how it will remove that also we should know. Tatratyam Lechanam api Durita Nasha Prasanga. Lecha means those who are Avaidika, the fishermen, all those people who live there half the time in the water, they all their sins will go. Mlechanam Durita Nasha Prasanga. So that doesn't happen. Kintu Pararashtrad Upasthanadi Purvaka Vrata Kalapa Vishishtasya Tathacha Chhatra Padukadi Varjana. First of all, you have to go from other place. If someone says, I live very close to Setu, you first go to Varanasi. From Varanasi, you go to Setu. How? Walking. Pararashtrad Upasthanadi Purvaka. You have to do Vrata. Vrata Kalapa Vishittasya. And as part of that Vrata, Chhatra Paduka Varjana. No umbrella, no sandals, no chappals, no padukas. Then Dosha Udghoshana. I have to shout loudly what sin I have committed, that Brahma Hatya or whatever, or other doshas. Dosha Udghoshana. Duradesha Gamitva. From far I have to come. Then Bhiksha Bhojitva. I cannot go in this restaurant, that restaurant, staying in 5-star hotel next to Setu. I have to eat only on Bhiksha, and that too Chatur Varna. I have to eat in every kind of house. So those shlokas are given. First is Chatur Vidyopapannastu Vidhivat Brahma Ghatake Samudra Setu Gamanam Prayaschittam Vinirdishet. The one who has Chatur Vidya. Chatur Vidya, I'm assuming Chatur Vidya is Veda Vidya. Papannaha Vidhivat, person who has done Brahma Hatya, Samudra Setu Gamanam will do Prayaschittam for him. Vinirdishet. The Prayaschitta Adhyaya they have given in the Vyakhya. Setu Bande Bhiksham Chatur Varnyat Samaharet. This is on page number 453 in the Yogindrajanji's Tika. Varjayitva Vikarma Sthanam Chhatropana Vivarjitam. Aham Dushkrita Karma Vai Mahapataka Karaka. Grihadvareshu Tishtami. Bhiksharthi Brahma Ghataka. In this way, he has to tell. Generally, nobody wants to tell what wrong things they have done. And here it is said, when you tell, this is how they say, in Christianity and all, you confess, then your papa will go. So it is not only Setu Darshanam which will remove. All these niyamanam kriti sadhyatvat tad vishishtam Setu Darshanam api kriti sadhyam iti vishishta rupena vidhanopapatti. All the niyamas are kriti sadhya. There is kriya involved in all of them. So tad vishishta, kriya vishishta jnanam is the Setu Darshanam. So kriti sadhyam vishishta rupena. So injunctions are for all the kriya. This you have to do, that you have to do, that you cannot do, etc., etc., etc. Means there are no shortcuts to remove papa. Don't think that Ganga ji mein snan kar liya to all the sins will sit outside. You go, come out, they will sit back on you. So best is avoid sins. That's all. आत्मज्ञाने तु नास्ति किंचित विशेषणम अपि कृति साध्यम येन तद विशिष्टत्वेनापि विधेयत्वं स्यात्. In आत्मज्ञान नास्ति किंचित विशेषणम, there is no विशेषणम to it. अपि कृति साध्यम येन तद विशिष्टत्वेनापि विधेयत्वं स्यात्. So because of that, tad vishishtvatvenapi vidheyatvam syat. But Atmajnana has no such visheshana of kriya. So therefore that's why there is no vidheyatvam. Karma samuchayasya nirakarishyamanatvat. And karma samuchaya is, anyway in so many places we have seen, and here also it will be negated. बंधस्य अज्ञान मात्र हेतुकत्वेन ज्ञानातिरिक्त निवर्तक अनपेक्षणाच्च. बंध इज अज्ञान मात्र हेतुकम हेतुकः. बंधो अज्ञान मात्र हेतुकः. अज्ञान मात्रम हेतुर यस्य बंधस्य सबंधः
अज्ञान मात्र हेतुकः.
अज्ञान मात्र हेतुकः. ज्ञानातिरिक्त निवर्तक अनपेक्षणाच्च. And that bandhana will never be eliminated by anything other than jnana. Jnana atirikta nivartakatvam is not there for bandha. It's not expected also. Bandhasya ajnana hetukatvam cha. And how bandha is ajnana hetuka? Mayam tu prakritim vidyat, mayanam tu maheshwaram. अज्ञानेनावृतं ज्ञानं तेन मुह्यन्ति जन्तवः इत्यादि श्रुति स्मृति न्याय सिद्धम. Shruti Smriti are given. Yukti or Brahma Sutra also says this. Vakshate cha agre, and it will be said further in this text also. Mayam tu prakritim vidyat. How is this quotation referring to bandhana is ajnana hetuka? The Mula Prakriti means Mula Karanam is Maya. Maya means Vanchana or Ajnana. So Bandhana also has Ajnanam as its Karana. Everything has ajnanam as its karanam. Bandhan also has ajnanam as its karanam. Jnanam will remove ajnanam. Ajnanam will remove all its karyam. So bandhana will also go along with that. अज्ञान निवर्तक ज्ञानस्य च उत्पत्तिमंतरेण अन्यापेक्षा नास्ति इति शुक्त्यादि ज्ञाने दृष्टम. अज्ञान निवर्तक ज्ञान उत्पत्तिमंतरेण, अदर देन इट्स उत्पत्ति, ज्ञान उत्पत्ति, नथिंग एल्स इज एक्सपेक्टेड. अन्यापेक्षा नास्ति इति शुक्त्यादि ज्ञाने दृष्टम. इन शुक्ति रज्जु ज्ञान ओनली ज्ञानम ऑफ अधिष्ठानम विल रिमूव अज्ञान. तथा चोक्तम वार्तिक कृद्भिः. वार्तिककार has given this shloka. We have seen this before. तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्योत्थ सम्यक् धी जन्म मात्रतः अविद्या सहकार्येण नासीदस्ति भविष्यति इति. तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्योत्थ सम्यक् धी जन्म मात्रतः, arising from तत्त्वमस्यादि वाक्य, only on the strength of pure knowledge. Avidya, along with its karya, was never there, is not there, will not be there. So, most students, sadhakas, they should ask this question that I am studying Vedanta for quite some time now. And if I feel that my bandhana nivritti has not happened, where should I focus now? We have to do some fine tuning of our sadhana. And that fine tuning, see, earlier bigger sadhana is you read shloka, you memorize shloka, and you think, I am so good. But unless I change my habits, my thinking, my vasanas, nothing is going to happen. So change has to come from within. Change will not come from outside. So Tattvamasyaadi Vakya will produce Jnanam, then I know there is no avidya, there was no avidya, there will not be any avidya. But Tattvamasya I have heard so many times. I meditate also every day, I am Brahman, I am Brahman. Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi, Aham Brahmasmi. Tattvameva Tvameva Tat, Tattvameva Tvameva Tat. Chinmatroham Sada Shivaha. Everything I do. But so this is where we need to think. Pratyagyaathatmya dhireva pratyagajnana hanikrit sachatmotpattito nanya dvantadvastavapekshate. Pratyagyaathatmya dhihi eva pratyagajnana hanikrit. The pratyagyaathatma jnanam, yathartha jnanam, will remove pratyag ajnanam. Pratyag jnana will be eliminated by yathatma jnana. Sacha atma utpattito nanyat. Atma utpatti means atma means jnana. Sacha atma utpattitaha anyat na. Dvanta dvastau apekshate. Dvanta means andhakara or ajnana. Ajnana dvastau atma utpattitaha anyad na apekshate. Only jnanam over. Andhakar is there in the room, you turn on the light, everything is clear, over. Atayeva yatra hi dvaitameva bhavati tad itara itaram pashyati. Yatra tvasya sarvam atmaiva bhut tad kena kam pashyet. Kena kam pashyet. या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां जागर्ति संयमी यस्यां जागृति भूतानि सा निशा पश्यतु मुनेः. So when there is Dvaitam, then itar pashyati, itar shrunoti, itar jigrati, etc. And when everything is Atma, then there is no experiencer, experienced, experience, this kind of triad. Triputi is not there. When I wake up to that knowledge, then for me everybody is sleeping. When I am ignorant, then I see only duality. Ya nisha sarva bhutanam tasyam sanyami jagati. And where people see duality, I am asleep to that. Ityadi smritischa avidyavasthayam sansaropalambham vidyavasthayam cha tad anupalambham darshati. In avidyavastha, sansara is available. In vidyavastha, it is not. Tasmat अधिष्ठान प्रमात्वेन आत्मज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वात् शुक्ति रूप्यादिषु इव बंधे अपि मिथ्यात्वं सिद्धम्. तस्मात् therefore अधिष्ठान प्रमात्वेन अधिष्ठान प्रमा अधिष्ठान ज्ञानम आत्मज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वात्. आत्मज्ञान निवर्त्य is what?
Prapancha.
प्रपंच जगत. जगत will have आत्मज्ञान निवर्त्यत्वम. निवर्त्यत्वात् शुक्ति रूप्यादिषु इव बंधे अपि मिथ्यात्वं सिद्धम्. In shukti rupyadi, bandha also is mithya, because what is jnana nivartya is mithya. Shukti rupya is also jnana nivartya. Jagat is also, prapancha is also jnana nivartya. यत्तु ईश्वर ज्ञानेन सत्यम घटादि निवर्तते इति प्रत्युदाहरणम तन्न. पूर्व पक्षी had said, by ईश्वर ज्ञान satya ghatadi nivritti. Nivritti here means dhvansa will happen. This was a counter example given by Purvapakshi. So Ishwar Jnanam removes ghatadi. How? According to Nayayika, there are sadharana karana. What are the sadharana karana?
ईश्वस्तज्ञानयत्नेच्छा कालो दृष्टं दिगेव च प्राक् प्रतिबन्धकाभावो साधारणः.
कार्ये साधारणामतः.
कार्ये साधारणा स्मृता or something. So ईशः ईश्वर ज्ञान ईशस्तज्ञान यत्नेच्छा. So Ishwar Jnana is Sadharan Karan. So if Ghata Dvansa takes place, then Ghata Nivritti has taken place. And Ishwar has Jnanam. Ishwar Jnana is Sadharan Karan for Ghata Dvansa also. So Ghata Nivritti is Ishwar Jnana Janya. But Ghata is not Mithya. So this is the example Purvapakshi had. Siddhanti says no, this is erroneous example. Why? Because ईश्वर ज्ञानस्य तार्किक मते अपि उपादान गोचर अपरोक्ष ज्ञानत्वेनैव कारणत्वात्. ईश्वर ज्ञानम अकॉर्डिंग टू तार्किक मत is उपादान गोचर अपरोक्ष ज्ञानत्वेन कारण. How is Ishwar Jnana Karanam? Upadana Vishayaka Aparoksha Jnana. But there is no Upadana Karana for Abhava. Abhavasya cha Nirupadanatvad. When you say Ghata Dvansa is Ghata Nivritti. Ghata Dvansa is Abhava Rupa, Atyanta Bhava or Pradvansa Bhava. Pradvansa Bhava is not having any upadana karana. If you say abhava has upadana karana, then you will have to say abhava stays in its upadana karana or samvai karana with samvaya sambandha. It is samaveta. If it is samaveta, it will become bhava rupa. Abhavasya cha nirupadanatvat. Abhavam prati karanatve mana bhavat. Abhavam prati karanatve, there is no pramana. That abhava also has karana. Means upadana karana. Abhava doesn't have upadana. Abhava can have nimitta karana. Some nimitta could be there for abhava. Sopadanatve tu samavetatve tasyapi bhavatva apatte. If it is upadana karana saha and it is samaveta, then Nayayika has this vyapti. Yatra yatra samavetatvam tatra tatra bhavatvam. You see in this Tika 318, page number, the Hindi Tika, 7th line, 8th line. Yatra yatra samavetatvam, 318. Tatra tatra bhavatvam. This is the vyapti. Many things will be overlapping. Only thing is this comment, this Sanskrit is little clean for reading. Sometimes that other Sanskrit doesn't have as much clean things. But the Yogendran Swamiji has given all this. Where is this Vartika? What is the number and everything? And whenever he quotes from other bhashyas also, he has given references. Other bhashya means the Vaisheshika bhashya, Vatsyayana bhashya, and that bhashya, Shavar bhashya, Kumarila Bhatta Vartika. He will give all those references. Atyanta bhava divaccha tad ajanyatvepi dvansasya tad vishayatva upapatte. Atyanta bhava divat, like atyanta bhava, tad ajanyatve api. Atyanta bhava is not Ishwar Jnana Janya. But Atyanta bhava will become Vishaya of Ishwar Jnana. So Atyanta bhava doesn't have Janyatva from Ishwar Jnana. But Atyanta bhava has Vishayatva of Ishwar Jnana. So he said like that Dhvansa also will have same. Dhvansasya tad Vishayatva upapatte. Na Janyatva. Ajanyatva api Vishayatva. न च तादृक् ईश्वर ज्ञाने संप्रतिपत्तिरपि अन्येषाम् इति न क्वापि कापि अनुपपत्ति. But Siddhanti says we don't accept such thing that Ishwar Jnanam is Sadharana Karana and Dhvansa is there for this. We don't accept such things. So Anyesham means Vedantina. Sampratipatti is not there. If we both agree to something, then you can contradict us. We don't agree with what you are saying. That Ishwar Jnana is like this, it is Sadharana Karana, and because of that, Dhvansa, etc. can take place. Yathacha Shuktyadi Jnanasya Rupyadi Nivartakatvam Apramanya Jnana Viraham Apekshaiva. Just as Shuktyadi Jnanam is Rupyadi Nivartakam. And Apramanya Jnana Viraham Apekshaiva means it is Pramanika Jnana. There is no Apramanya. Apramanya Viraha. Apramanya Abhava. Evam Atma Jnanasyapi Shravanadi Nirvritta Asambhavanadi Nivritti Rupa Apramanya Jnana Viraha Apekshatvam iti na kinchid api adhikam kalpitam. Atma Jnanam is also same. Shravanadi Nirvritta. Nirvritta means Sampanna. Through Shravanadi, what is accomplished is Asambhavana, Viparita Bhavana, Nivritti. Nivritti Rupa Apramanya Jnana Viraha Apekshatvam. Whatever is Apramanika Jnanam, Ajnana Adi, their Nivritti will take place. We are not expecting anything else which is more in this case. Atma Jnanam will work just like Shukti Jnana. So This apramanya jnana is like asambhavana vipritva. Their nivritti is what is expected. आत्मज्ञानस्य सर्व सुकृत साध्यत्वं शुक्त्यादि ज्ञान अपेक्षया विलक्षणम् इति तु दृष्टांत दार्ष्टान्तिकयोर वैधर्म्य मात्र उद्भावनात् वैधर्म्य समा जाती है. आत्मज्ञान इस सर्व सुकृत साध्यत्व शुक्त्यादि ज्ञान अपेक्षया विलक्षण. आत्मज्ञानम इज इट रिक्वायर्स पुण्य एक्सेट्रा. So here also punya is needed, but it is not only punya. आत्मज्ञानगत पापनाश निरपेक्ष रूप से अज्ञान कार्य निवर्तकत्व नहीं है, किंतु पापनाशक सर्व पुण्य पुंज से प्रसूत आत्मज्ञान में अज्ञान कार्य निवर्तकत्व है. पापनाश निरपेक्ष रूप अज्ञान कार्य निवर्तकत्व इज नॉट देयर. विदाउट eliminating papa, it will not remove ajnana. पापनाशक सर्व पुण्य पुंज प्रसूत आत्मज्ञानम इस अज्ञान कार्य निवर्तकम. This is Purva Pakshi's argument. Up to this we keep this Drishtanta Dashtanta Vaidharmya is where we will begin. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Bhuti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.